Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and taking care of yourselves. So today we are going to start with the first chapter of Form 11 Mathematics, that is nothing but the sets. Now you have already studied in earlier class, that is in Form 9, the basic concepts of set theory, right? So in this particular chapter, what we are going to learn is definition of sets, roster form, and set builder form. Next is empty or void set, then finite and infinite sets. The next will be equal sets, then open interval and closed interval. Next is subsets, power set and universal set. The next will be operations on sets. Those are union and intersection. And the last is the complement of the sets. So this is the overview of this particular chapter. Now let us start with the first topic, that is the definition of sets. What do you mean by a set? Now, what is a set? So set is nothing but the well-defined collection of objects. Here you have to see two important words, that is well-defined and collection. For example, collection of vowels in English alphabets. Second example is natural numbers less than 50. Third example is you can take sons of King Dashrath, as Ramayana is very much popular nowadays. So sons of King Dashrath. And the last one is, you can take next example as members of your family. Let us check these examples one by one. The first example is, now one more thing I want to tell, that is, you all know that set is denoted by the capital letters, that is A, B, C, D, 2, X, Y, Z. They are separated by commas, enclosed with the curly braces, and no any element must be repeated in that particular set. So for example, number 1, collection of vowels in English alphabet. So vowels are A, E, I, O, u. But I wanted to write this in the form of set. So for example, if I denote this set as A, so A can be written as, they are separated by commas and enclosed with the curly braces, and no element is repeated over here, right? Now the second example, natural numbers less than 50. Suppose I denoted this set by B. Denote this set by B. So the set will be natural numbers less than 50 is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 48 and 49. 50 will not be there as it is given that the number is strictly less than 50. Third example is sons of King Dashrath. I denote that set by R as Ramayana. So R is equals to who are the sons of King Dashrath? They are Ram, Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrugna. And the last example is number 4. Members of your family. Suppose we denote that set by F for family. So members of your family are you, your mom, your dad. They are yours, huh? Your mom, your dad, your brother, then your uncle, your aunt, your sister, etc. So they are the part of this family. Okay. Now, if I say, for example, in first question, if I take, is X part of this set? No. Why? Because X is not the collection of vowels in English alphabets. Therefore, X does not belong to this particular set. So, it is clear that the set is well defined as well as collection of objects. So, X will not be the part of this particular set. For second example, if I ask, is 100 part of this set B? No. Because it is given that the natural numbers less than 50. If I ask minus 5 part of this set? No, because it is given that natural numbers less than 50. Third question. Sons of King Dashrath. They are Ram, Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrugna. Now if I ask, if is Sugriv and Hanuman part of this set Ramayana? No, because Sugriv and Hanuman are not the sons of King Dashrath, right? And the last one is, that is the family set. Neighbor X. If I ask, the neighbor X is part of your family set? No, because neighbor is not a part of your family. If I ask, am I the family of your, am I the member of your family? No, I will not belong to this set. Got it? Because I am not a member of your family. So now it is clear that set is nothing but the well-defined collection of objects. The two words are more important, that is well-defined and the collection of objects. Now, we have revised or we have reserved some letters for the particular sets. What are these letters? That is N. N is nothing but the set of all natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So this is nothing but the n set of all natural numbers that you already know. Next is z. That is set of all integers, which is denoted by z. What are the integers? -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to. This will go to infinity and this will go to minus infinity. So this is nothing but the set of all integers. We are denoting by the z. Next will be q. Q is nothing but the set of all rational numbers. Rational numbers are the nothing but the numbers of the form p by q, where q is not equal to 0. If the number is of this form, then that is called the rational number, and we are denoting that numbers as q. That is set of all rational numbers. Next is r. R is nothing but the, you all know, set of all real numbers, and which we denote on the real line are called the real numbers. So we have reserved these many letters. So when anybody say n, capital N, then this is nothing but the set of all natural numbers. If anybody asks what is z, then z is nothing but the set of all integers. If anybody asks what is q, then q is nothing but the set of rational numbers, and r is nothing but the set of real numbers.